Here's what's going on with my Robotron. Okay, this looks fine. When we get out of that and we get into the pulsing border mode here, I don't know if you can see it with a handheld camera, but the size is pulsing very slightly. You can see the score up there, and the edge of the border is moving a little bit. This is really annoying. This is on a G07 that has a brand new flyback, brand new HOT, all brand new caps, good ones, brand new voltage regulator. I have set the B+ voltage as high as it will go, and as high as it will go is 119.6 or 7. Which in itself is a problem, because you should be able to adjust it higher than that. Here's something funny that's going on. If I set my Fluke meter to measure AC on the B+ line, then we'll be measuring the ripple on the line. You see right now in this screen, it's up over 200 millivolts of ripple, sometimes touching 300 millivolts. When we get to this screen, where I don't notice any pulsing behavior, it drops to about half that. Now we're about 140 millivolts ripple. And as soon as we change back to the pulsing border, you can see the ripple goes back up to the 300 millivolts range. So I'm thinking that the culprit here is this big gray filter capacitor. I don't generally change these out when I do a cap kit because everything looks fine without them, unless you're getting really picky like I am with this one, and you notice this blooming problem, which I am starting to think is because there's too much ripple on the DC B+ line, and I think it's because the big filter cap is no longer doing its job as well as it should. So I'm going to try replacing that, and hopefully that will fix the blooming problem and also bring our B+ back up to a larger adjustable range instead of topping out just shy of 120.